How to draw Grandpa Shark, step by step. For the first step in making Grandpa Shark, we're going to begin by making one circle that will be directly above the center of the page. Nice job! Next up, we're going to begin to make a total of 3 fins, one on the top, left, and right hand side. Great job so far learning how to draw hub crew. Next up, we're going to go right in between those 2 fins that we just made, and we're going to begin to make one big tail. Now let's go ahead and connect this line to the right fin. Fantastic. Now we're going to draw 2 lines inside the body of our Grandpa Shark. This will help separate his green color from his white. Next, we're going to make one line going from left to right inside of the face. This will help separate the mustache from the mouth. Now right below the line that we just made, we're going to begin to make the mouth of our Grandpa Shark. Nice! Now let's move directly above that line and let's begin to make his mustache. Now we will make 2 small circles for the nostrils, along with 2 big circles for the eyes. Now above each eye, we're going to begin to make one eyebrow. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch out my Sharpie for a fine tip marker so it'll be easier to make the pupils of Grandpa Shark. If you don't have one, that's okay too. This is how to draw a Grandpa Shark. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.